Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So today I'm going to talk about one essential skill in your life is problem solving, right? So when it comes to problem solving, we have three terms, especially I have three terms. The one is escapism, which means escaping from the problem, and second one is ignorance in the sense we act like that the problem doesn't exist in our life. And third one is the courage to face the problem, the courage to analyze the problem. Yes, right, so as a normal human being, as a normal people, so we have experienced a lot of problems from our childhood days itself, right? And when we are in the adult stage, when we are in the adulthood, so in every day we face challenges. We will be thinking about our future, the plans and everything, the commitments especially. So whenever the problem comes to you, so my advice is we have to change our thought patterns. We have to think optimistically. We have to act in an optimistic way as much as possible, right? So in real life example, so when I was studying 8th grade and 9th grade, so usually we have a chapter in mathematics, right? Like algebra and some trigonometry or differential calculus, very complex chapter, the chapter with complexity. And these chapters are not easy for me. I used to skip, like escaping from the problems, like ignoring the problems. I used to switch to the first chapter, sets and functions, attending geometry and graphs and matrices. So I can do whatever I can. So we used to ignore a lot. But if we know the formula, so whenever we wanted to solve those problems in that particular chapters, we should know the formula. We should acknowledge the formulas. So once we are strong at the formulas, we can be able to solve whatever the problems we have in exams. In same happens in English also. When we are about to talk about the time beings, so we should know the correct tense forms to speak with somebody else. Yes. For example, if I'm talking about some past examples or past experiences, I have to use the past tense, right? Like simple past tense, we have in formula, in tenses. For example, we have the sentence pattern like subject and V2 plus object. And these are the simple formula to apply for a simple past tense. So when we are about to talk in simple past tense, we should use the formula and we have to talk in that way. And speaking automatically comes when we speak to somebody else, whatever it is. In that way, first of all, we have to be calm. We have to look at the problem. We have to believe that we are able to solve the problem in the appropriate way. We have to assume that we have survived, that we have crossed almost the problem, that we have crossed half of the problem at least. Our mindset should be like that. So if you are in that way, if your thoughts are in that way, I'm damn sure that we can able to solve the problem at any ways in our life. Okay, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Stay healthy. Bye.